Section 3, Video 4, Virtual Network Maximums. With each version of vSphere, a higher capability and functionality is provided. In this video, we will review the network capability that is available with this latest version of vSphere. 10 virtual NICs per virtual machine. That allows that virtual machine to connect to up to 10 networks, and that can be any combination of supported virtual NICs. 1 virtual RDMA adapter per virtual machine, 16 10 gig and 4 1 gig ports per host. A total of 4096 network switch ports per host, which includes a combination of virtual distributed switch and virtual standard switch. 4088 virtual network switch creation ports per virtual machine, 512 port groups per standard switch, 60,000 ports per distributed switch. As you can see, the new version of vSphere provides a lot of capability in network supportability. 1016 maximum active ports per host, and this is a combination of virtual distributed switch and virtual standard switch. 1016 ephemeral port groups per distributed switch, 128 distributed switches per virtual center, and 16 distributed switches per host. To summarize, we reviewed network maximums for vSphere host and virtual machine, and then in the next video, video 5, we will review a comparison of standard switch and distributed switch. Thank you for watching.